from Mori from RoboFunLab Porbandar. My project name is anti-theft alarm. When Raj and Riya were gone outside, their precious thing was stolen by a thief. To make sure that this thing will not happen in future, they had made anti-theft alarm. We have used one EV3 brick, one ultrasonic sensor, one touch sensor, and one color sensor. Whenever the color sensor will detect blue color, it will not ring the alarm, and when it will detect other color, it will ring the alarm. And whenever the touch sensor is pressed with this brick, it will not ring the alarm, and whenever it is not, it will ring the alarm. And the ultrasonic sensor will detect distance from it to object. Whenever the distance will be less than 7, it will not ring the alarm, and whenever the distance will more than 7, it will ring the alarm. Let's see how it works. Thank you.